If your dreams are filled with speed and power, you're an aviation enthusiast. And we've got just the thing for you. Let's dive into the incredible world of Mach 6 Plus fighter jets. First up, the US Air Force's SR-72. Dubbed the Son of Blackbird, this beast is designed to hit hypersonic speeds and leave the competition in its jet wash. Next we have Russia's MiG-41. This stealthy interceptor is still under wraps, but rumors say it's set to redefine aerial combat with unmatched speed and high-altitude capabilities. And from China, we have the mysterious JHXX. While details are scarce, it's believed to combine speed, stealth, and advanced weaponry, making it a formidable contender in the hypersonic race. These jets are not just pushing boundaries, they're smashing them. Stay tuned for more aviation awesomeness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more sky-high adventures.